Welcome to all of the curious minds out there. I've got very exciting news for you. Neuro-bites.org, my website on science communication in neuroscience, has finally launched. Content on Neuro-bites will include bite-sized articles. First one is already up. It's called Movement as Brain Medicine. It explores all about the crucial benefits of exercise for your brain as it ages. That article is written by me and edited by my co-founder Tammy Strickland. So go check it out, all of the links in the description below. Neurobites is a science communication website. What does it mean? Science communication is a whole field that is aimed at bridging the gap between the scientists and the general public. Why is it needed? Because scientists often assume that the general public is not capable, let's put it this way, of comprehending those high and deep scientific concepts that the scientists spend all their lives researching, all their lives investigating. And let's be honest and let's be real, sometimes scientists are not the best at communicating and explaining things in a simple and accessible way. And that's why the general public feel alienated from scientists. They think they're better than us. They think that they can just seclude all of that information, keep that away from us. So how can we trust them? So that whole dynamic creates a very toxic relationship between people and scientists. That's why we see so much adverse reaction in the media, sometimes towards some scientific research coming out, or on the other way. That's why we see some radical movements that are anti-scientific discoveries, and that's why there is such a back and forth charged argument. And I don't think it should be this way. That's why we're being the change we want to see in the world. So our website is going to be focused on neuroscientific research, as you probably understood. And the other type of content that we're going to have, apart from bite-sized articles, is the takeaway advice from the neuroscience research about brain health. The daily, simple actions that you can take to keep your brain healthy. And the other type of content that we're planning are the interviews. The first interview with Professor Anya Kelly was already taken by me. It was such a pleasure. And there's going to be an audio and a text version on our website of it. It was a half-an-hour conversation revealing lots of useful information about the benefits of exercise for the aging brain. We are not a standalone website. We are a branch of a big American organization, Science Bites, that has all the different websites and channels about the other sciences out there, such as chemistry, genetics, biology, astrophysics, you name it. If you're interested in it, go check them out. They're wonderful bite-sized articles, just like ours, on the other websites about other types of sciences, with the same goal to communicate scientific research to the general public. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I'm grateful to Tammy, who invited me to do this project with her and be her co-founder and build a whole website and write articles and do social media promotion like this for it. I'm very driven about this project because I think it's extremely important and it's interesting. Let's be honest, it's just very interesting. There's so much to find out. There is such a huge need for a clear communication of scientific discoveries, because when I read certain articles, I think, why don't we know this? I thought there is no research about it yet, but there is actually such an extensive database that already exists, but just your normal neighbor wouldn't be able to find it. So we need that. We need structured, available resources specific for certain topics. So here you go. That's us. Thank you for each and every one of you for reaching out with feedback. That is very appreciated on how to make articles better, how to make a website better, how to write better. That is all very welcomed. And collaborations. Collaborations are extremely welcomed. For example, we're already collaborating with the beautiful Chilean artist, painter Javi Hudson. Her artwork is on our website in the sections of content that we have. Stay tuned, as there is an article once a month. And here on this channel, Sana Universe Within, I'm going to break down these big articles into digestible videos as well about neuroscience. You've guessed it. Links are in the description below. Enjoy. Come back to me with feedback. And let the brain be with you.